Here's a great deal on a 2013 Dodge Avenger. This four-door, five-passenger sedan is still under 75,000 kilometers. Top features include a split folding rear seat, front and rear reading lights, a trip computer, power door mirrors and heated door mirrors, remote keyless entry, and one-touch window functionality. You and your passengers will enjoy the stereo system, which includes a CD player with MP3 capability, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 6 speakers providing excellent sound throughout the cabin. Dodge ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as head curtain airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a security system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. For added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.